Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. The Bank of Jamaica is projecting a fall in the rate of growth in currency it issues this year when measured against last year. In a statement today, the BOJ said the currency stock is expected to peak at $67 billion Christmas Eve and that net currency redemptions are expected to occur thereafter, albeit at a faster rate relative to 2011. Chairman of Lime Jamaica Chris Daring says that the parent company in London has not expressed any specific concern to him about threat posed to the business by possible thefts associated with the return of the scrap metal trade in January. Daring emphasized to me via a telephone interview that Lime's principals have not expressed to him personally any concern over the issue. Now, since Lime began measuring the impact of theft on the company in 2003, it has lost almost $296 million due to theft by Jamaicans looking for metals to sell. The peak year of such losses was 2007, when metal thieves were estimated to have stolen wires and cables worth $109 million. Now, last Wednesday, December 19, in the wake of concerns by the opposition JLP as well as the think tank Caribbean Policy Research Institute, or CAPRI, Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton justified the scrap metal trade as an important contributor to the economy, citing employment of over 10,000 persons with peak export earnings of $100 million in 2006. Lime welcomed the government's new regulations governing the gathering and export of scrap metal, emphasizing earlier this month that it was never opposed to the scrap metal trade itself. The Jamaican construction sector will be hit by a major price hike in cement in the new year. Citing rising input costs such as energy, Caribbean Cement says it will be increasing the price of packaged Carib Plus cement by 15.4%, with higher increases for its other products. The weighted average increase is 16.5%. News on the market now. There was fairly brisk Christmas Eve trading on the Jamaican stock market today. Over 10 million shares worth $305 million changed hands, with some degree of profit taking in volume leader Carreras, which declined by almost 14%. The main JC index lost 751 points, or 1%. 22 stocks traded, with 8 advancing, 9 declining and 5 holding firm. The winners included D&G, General Accident, Grace Kennedy, JMMB, Lasco Distributors, NCB and Supreme Ventures. The losers included Carib Cement down 7%, Carreras down 14%, Jamaica Brawlers Group, Sagicor Investments, Scotia Group and Scotia Investments. Finally, on the foreign exchange market, the benchmark American dollar held firm at $92.97 Jamaican. However, the Canadian dollar strengthened by 9 cents Jamaican to close at an average selling rate of $94.01. Sterling lost 48 cents Jamaican to close at $150.71. That's the Owen James Report. Have a happy Christmas.